Simple Present Explained, Part 2. Hey guys, this is Thiago for the English 10 and welcome to another video. This channel is designed to help you improve your English, so if you're new here, consider subscribing, alright? This is part 2 of the Simple Present series. It's a 3-part video series that I'm doing explaining the Simple Present structure in English, alright? In case you haven't watched part 1 yet, I'm gonna leave the link to the video in the description below. Make sure you click on the link, go there to the video, watch it, and then you come back here and watch part 2, okay? So the topic for the video today is gonna be about the third person, that's he, she, it, and the affirmative sentences, all right? By the way, if you are interested in this kind of topic, I'm gonna ask you to right now click the like button for me. That helps me a lot here on YouTube. When you click the like button, it makes YouTube know that this video is nice and more people should see it, all right? So do me a favor and click the like button, all right? So back to the topic here. When you have a sentence in the simple present, he, she, it, third person, we make a small change in the spelling of the verb, okay? What happens is, for most verbs, we add the letter S, okay? So some examples could be start becomes starts, right? Drink becomes drinks. Eat becomes eat. So we have eat, eat, drink, drinks, start, start. So I say I start, you start, but he starts, she starts, all right? So for most verbs, all you gotta do is add the letter S, all right? Now, when the verb ends in O, CH, or SH, now you need to add ES at the end of the verb in the third person affirmative, okay? So, for example, the verb go ends with an O, right? That's the last letter there, the O. So, if I say he, I have to say he goes, I add ES to that verb. So go becomes goes. Watch, you see at the end CH, I add ES, it becomes watches, all right? And wash, again, the end SH, I add ES, becomes washes. So I have go, goes, watch, watches, wash, washes, okay? Also, if the verb ends in Y, yeah, the letter Y, and there is a consonant before the Y, all right, you need to add IES. So what happens is you cut out the Y, you drop the Y, and you add IES, all right? So for example, the verb study in the third person becomes studies, okay? I cut out, I eliminate the Y, and I add IES, study, studies. Another example could be copy, yeah? The same deal, right? Copy ends with Y, there's a consonant before, letter P. So cut the Y and add IES. So copy becomes copies, all right? About this little rule here about the Y, yeah, it's important to mention here that, remember, it's only in the case that where the verb ends in Y and there is a consonant before the Y, okay? If there is a vowel before the Y, then it's okay. All you gotta do is add the S. An example could be the verb play, yeah, play. This verb ends in Y, but before the Y, I have a vowel, letter A. So that doesn't apply in this case, right? I mean, it's not necessary to use IES here. All you gotta do is add S. So play becomes plays. But if you have Y and a consonant before, and then yes, you cut out the Y and add IES, like in study, studies, all right? We have here some examples now. some examples of sentences, right? So I'm gonna read the sentences to you because I think it's very valid, not only to talk about the theory and the rules, but also see these rules being applied in phrases, because at the end of the day, you communicate through sentences, through phrases, all right? So I'm going to start reading. Listen, pay attention. If you want to repeat after me or pause the video, feel free to do so, all right? So, the class starts at 5 p.m. She drinks beer at the bar. He eats burgers on the weekend. John goes to school in the morning. My mom watches movies at night. The machine washes clothes. Paula studies a lot. He copies everything his brother does. All right, so these are just some examples of sentences in the simple present, third person, he, she, or it, in the affirmative form, all right, and how the verbs change. Remember that these changes in the verbs here only happen in affirmative sentences, okay? When you have third person, affirmative. If it's negative or questions, yeah, interrogative sentences, not necessary to change the verbs, okay? It's only for affirmative. There is one exception here, which is the verb have, yeah? The verb have becomes has in the third person. So I can say, I have a car, you have a car, but I say he has a car, she has a car, okay? Or if I'm talking about a place, maybe it has beautiful parks, all right? My city has beautiful parks, yeah? But remember that, okay? That's the exception. Have becomes has. So guys, that's it for today. Just recapping here, most verbs, all you gotta do is add as, okay? And for verbs that end in O, CH, or SH, you add ES. And for verbs that end with Y and a consonant before, you drop the Y and you add IES, okay? Now, I encourage you to review this information later, create some sentences, yeah? Think of some sentences, write them down, and start practicing, yeah? When you watch a movie or listen to a song, for example, yeah? And you read the lyrics, yeah, let's say, start paying attention when you see these verbs being used like that, with an S, ES, or IES at the end, okay? I hope you liked this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button for me. That would be great. Again, it helps me a lot here. And stay tuned because I'm gonna release part 3 of these Simple Present series very soon, okay? So I appreciate you watching until now. I'm Thiago for the English 10. Thank you very much and happy learning.